Hi everyone, welcome back to Sketch Lab for Kids. Today, we're painting something super adorable and beginner friendly. A cute cloud with a rainbow sky and hearts in a fun kawaii style. We'll be using Golden Fluid Acrylics and Posca Markers to create vibrant colors and playful details. Whether you're new to painting or love all things kawaii, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. Grab your brushes and let's bring this cheerful design to life. So we're starting off the top of our cloud. And you can see we're drawing lines that curve. So the one at the top curved up, this one curves to the left. Curving line to the right. Curving a line to the right. And here I'm curving a line to the left. An artist tip is you can get a circle template. This really helps out with kawaii style characters because they are known for their rounded edges. And also it'll help you out when you draw their eyes as well. Drawing a line down. Curving another line down. And curving a line to the right. Okay, we're going to work on the expression. So I am outlining with Posca paint markers today. And I'm going to be using purple for the eyes. I'm actually going to use light purple, purple, white, and I'll also be using black as well. And so the great thing about acrylic paint markers is that you can actually color mix right on the canvas with them. And the canvas is the ideal surface for Posca paint markers. And the reason is because with Posca paint markers, the nibs, the tips of those markers can tear paper, but it will not tear your canvas. If you are working on paper, you might want to paint a ground first with acrylic paint. So for my color gradation, I'm going light purple to black. And obviously anything that you do with Posca paint marker can be done with your paint. When it comes to outlining and hard edges, Posca paint markers are great for that. As you know, with a paintbrush, you have to continue to reload the paintbrush. And obviously with markers, you don't have to. So when you're doing an outline with a marker, it's a lot easier. You don't have to reload your paintbrush over and over again. And so this is actually violet. And then at the bottom of the eye, I'm going to go in with light purple and white. So a key characteristic of these kawaii-style eyes is they're two white dots. They basically create a highlight inside of the eyes. And now I'm going in with some black. Adding some eyelashes. Line the curves down for our smiley face. And we're going to add in some eyebrows. And this is coral pink that I'm using for the rosy cheeks. So for the bottom of the rainbow, I did light purple, now dark purple. This is apple green. So this is what I was talking about earlier, how it's very easy to outline with a paint marker. This is red. And then the last line I'm going to be using fuchsia. So if you're new to Posca paint markers, they do sell a set of 15, but that is not all of their markers. I actually got the 105 set that comes with 5M and 3M sized nibs or tips. It also comes with some fluorescent markers in that set in metallic. Alright, so that's it with the drawing, and we're going to move on to painting. So I am using Golden Fluid Acrylic paints today. And I'm starting off with some titanium white. Okay, now this is violet. And I'm doing about 1 part color to 10 parts white. And this is called a tint. So I'm starting off very light, and I'm just building up some shading. And I'm adding just a little bit more violet to the mix, going a little bit darker. And I'm basically creating 3 values of purple. So I have the light violet, medium violet, and dark violet. I'm also using violet for the rainbow. With this mix, I have 1 part phthalo green to 1 part primary yellow. And I also mixed white into that. For yellow, it's just primary yellow and titanium white. And this is primary magenta with a little bit of white added to that. I'm also using the primary magenta with a little bit of white added to these hearts. And I'm also going to start doing the same thing of creating lighter values just by adding some more white. So when artists use values, it adds depth and dimension to their artwork, and it makes their artwork appear to be more three-dimensional. So you can see our cloud and our hearts are definitely looking more 3D. Now I'm just going to go in with this white paint marker. I'm outlining the rainbow, I'm outlining the hearts. And I'm going to just go back and re-outline everything that I did in the drawing. So the bottom of the cloud I'm outlining with some dark purple, top of the cloud light purple. Going back with the fuchsia, outlining the hearts. And now I'm just cleaning up the expression. So I went in with the coral pink again with the rosy cheeks. So this is robin green and white. That's creating a bit of a reflection off of the cloud. And once again, it's making those edges kind of pop and appear to be more three-dimensional. And this is the circle template I was talking about. So this comes in really handy when creating these kawaii-style characters because they are known for their rounded edges, and it's also very helpful when doing their expressions. So I'm using this to clean up the circle, or the circles for the eye, and the two white dots inside of the eye. And I'm also going to use this as well to do the smiley face. They also make what's called a safety compass, and that is also really good for creating these curved lines, for instance, for the rainbow. Just adding a few little extra details. And there you have it, your super cute kawaii cloud with the rainbow sky and hearts. In this tutorial, we learned how to layer vibrant colors with Golden Fluid Acrylics, add fine details with Posca Markers, and create that signature kawaii charm. Well, if you love this project, don't forget to check out my other tutorials for even more creative ideas. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Keep spreading those colorful vibes, and see you next time.